Hi, hello, welcome to Stay Tuned channel. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, subscribe it and click on the bell icon so that you are getting the notifications. If you like, like it and share among your friends, and comment if you have any doubts and clarify it. Today we are going to see NCERT Grade 7 Supplementary Reader An Alien Hand. Solutions for 8th lesson, The Bear Story. Answer the following questions in page number 57. Question number 1. Where did the lady find the bear cub? How did she bring it up? The lady found the bear cub in the forest, almost half dead of hunger. It was so small and helpless that it had to be brought up on the bottle of milk by the lady and the old cook. Second question. The bear grew up, but he was a most amiable bear. Give 3 examples to prove this. So I have given you 4 examples. You can take any 3 of it. The bear grew up as a most amiable bear. The 3 examples to prove this are: he used to sit outside his kennel and looked amicably at the cattle grazing in the field nearby. He was so big and strong that he could have slain a cow and carried it away. He was so big and strong that he could have slain a cow and carried it away between his paws, but he did not harm anybody, man or beast. Second one. The 3 mountain ponies in the stable knew him well and did not mind when he shuffled into the stable with his mistress. Third one. The children used to ride on his back and had more than once been found asleep in his kennel between his paws. Fourth one. The 3 dogs loved to play all sorts of games with him, pull his ears and his stump of a tail and tease him in every way, but he did not mind it in the least. Question number 3. What did the bear eat? There were 2 things he was not allowed to do. What were they? The bear ate bread, porridge, potato, cabbage, turnip. He had never tasted meat. He was not allowed to climb the apple tree to pluck apples. Secondly, he was not allowed to touch the beehives. Question number 4. When was the bear tied up with a chain? Why? The bear he was tied up with the chain whenever he had done mischief like climbing apple trees or touching the beehives. He was also put in chain during nights and on Sundays when his mistress went to spend the afternoon with her married sister. It was done because it was not supposed to be good for him to wander about in the forest with all its temptations. It was better to be on the safer side. Question number 5. What happened one Sunday when the lady was going to her sister's house? What did the lady do? What was the bear's reaction? One Sunday, when the lady was going to her sister's house, a bear was coming to her in the forest at full speed. Thinking that it was her bear, she scolded him and told him to go back as she didn't want him to come along her. She became very angry when she saw the bear lost his new collar and hit him on his nose with her parasol. The bear opened his mouth several times as if he wanted to say something and looked at her with his cunning eyes. After that, it turned around and went on its way. Question number 6. Why was the bear looking so sorry for himself in the evening? Why did the cook get angry with her mistress? The bear was looking sorry for himself in the evening because he had been chained for the whole Sunday afternoon and was looking for his mistress without doing anything. The cook got angry with her mistress because she was scolding the bear without any mistake, who had been sitting there quite still on his haunches, as meek as an angel, looking the whole time towards the gate for the mistress to come back. So with that we come to the end of the solutions. I hope you will get benefited by it. Bye. Take care.